Welcome back or to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. This is my 2020 Ultra Limited. Today we have a very cool product that we are going to install. It is a garage door opener from a veteran-owned and operated company out of Georgia. Full disclaimer, he did send me this product, but if it's junk, I'm going to let you know it's junk. So far, I did open the box and take a look at it. The quality of it is amazing. The button is phenomenal. I really like the button. You can go to his website and you can pick between a black button or a chrome button. And then the button also lights up and you can pick what color light you want. So, here's the box. This is the name of his company, Rogersunlimited. He's out of Georgia. Let's see what we got in the box here. Got a nice little, I believe this is a do-rag. There's his website. Here is garage door opener. Move this box out of the way. Here's your, got your directions, some two-sided tape, a couple zip ties. Get this opened up here. Everything comes packaged really good. You gotta worry about it getting damaged. Here is the actual garage door opener part. Right here. You pop this little cover off. There's a little button right there that you press to sync it to your garage door. When I get it installed, we will be doing that. This button, though, is awesome. Of course, I went in black. Listen. Really nice button. You'll have to wait to see what color light I went with. You can see that little ring there, that'll light up. I'm going to make you wait. Now, I have never taken the outer fairing off of a Harley. This is my first Harley. And like you guys, of course, I jumped on YouTube and seen how it was done. Looks easy enough. Take these 3 screws out here, across your windshield. Leave the middle one in. Loosen it up, just leave it in. Pop your windshield out. And then down here, we'll get an angle here. You have this screw right here. Kind of hard to see, I know. And then you have another screw down here on both sides. That's it. Rock it forward a little bit, reach down there, unhook your headlight. Make sure you have somewhere soft to set it. That's why I got this big blanket over here on my freezer. And all these rags right here I'm going to put on my bike to protect it. That way if my clumsy fingers drop something, I ain't going to chip my paint or any good stuff like that. Door opener. Now, he has a couple different ones on his website. The one I went with replaces your 12-volt power under here. You take this out, and the button will go right there. Now, I believe he's got other ones on his website where you can put them wherever. He also has a Facebook page. I seen a picture on his Facebook page. Somebody put one right here. Thought that was pretty cool. This is a plug-and-play system. You unplug your 12-volt power there, and this will plug right into that plug, the factory Harley plug for your 12-volt power. So anybody can do it. Super simple. There will be a link to his website down in the description. Make sure you go check that out. And of course, YouTube, blah, blah, blah. I would like you guys to subscribe. If you don't, whatever, that's fine. But at the very minimum, I want you guys to go hit that link in the description. Check out his website. And like I said, if it's something you want, get it. We will see how it does. I'm going to, like I said, install it. Get it synced to my garage door opener. And test it out. So if you guys hold on a minute, let me get everything set up. I will be back. As you can see, put a couple little rags over the passing lamps. Put one on the fender and one on the lowers. Just in case I drop something, or you never know. So we are going to take these 3 screws off. Leave the center one in there. Like I said, I have never taken a fairing off of a Harley or anything like that. So grab the bottom of your headlight, lift up just a little bit, take your top screw out. Lean it forward. Reaching down there, just a little plug for your headlight. Get that unplugged. And then just lift it up out of there. Just like so. Like I said, this is my first time too, so we are learning as we go. I just set it over here on my little blanket, keep it nice and protected. As you can see here, got my windshield and my fairing. Here's what it looks like. And right here, inside this little cubby hole, right up in here, is where that 12-volt power is. So, let's see if we can get this unhooked. I don't know, here we go with the fat fingers again. And try a different angle. Turn the handlebars a little bit. There we go. And there's no clip or nothing, it's just pressed on. And you can see you got your 2 prongs here. That's where your garage door opener will hook up to. And then up inside there, it's kind of hard to see, but it looks like there's just a nut on there. Yeah, just a nut that you loosen up to take that 12-volt power out. I don't know if you can see up inside there, but let me figure out what tool we need and we'll get on that next. Okay. Well, what I've come across, I think it's going to be easier if we just take this speaker out. So you need a 3/16 Allen. And you just go in here and loosen it. Got these ones over here on the side. Alright, so move you guys a little bit here so I can get around you. Well, those are going to be something different. Yes, they are. Okay. Sorry, guys. Told you. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll be right back again. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. I can't tell what size this is. Can't find a marking on it. But 2 screws up in here. I already cracked this one loose just to make sure this is the right size. Okay, guys, sorry about that. This, trying to get a speaker out of here is something else, let me tell you. Harley definitely don't want their speakers falling out of these bikes. So I finally got that one screw out up at the top that you see me struggling with and kicking my butt and yada yada. Thought that was it. Well, come to find out that that's not it. There's also a bolt down inside here. Again, I have no clue what I'm doing. I did unplug my speaker. Well, you want to know what a factory speaker looks like? There it is. Out of a 2020. It says Harley-Davidson on it. Pretty nice little speaker. But that was a nightmare. Okay, hold on. Sorry if you can hear the furnace in the background. It was getting kind of chilly in here. I had to turn that back on. Hold on, I'm going to turn the furnace off. Alright guys, furnace is off. Now, once we got the hard stuff done, you just reach around the front here, hold your 12 volt. This just unscrews. Just like so. But you know what? Hold on a moment here. Okay, you know what? I'm probably an idiot. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw that out there. We're gonna do some investigating when we get this done. And that just slides out the front. Boom. There you go. There's your 12 volt. Bam. Now that I'm looking at this, see, I never seen one of these out of a bike. And I'm thinking we probably could have gotten this out without having to take that speaker off. That is what I'm thinking. Yep, I bet we could have. Huh. Well, there you go. I'm a dumbass. Don't worry. You don't have to call me one because I'll be the first to say it. But it is what it is. You know, you learn. You guys can learn from my video. So you ain't got to make the same mistakes I did. Oh, I tell ya. Now on your button here, you have 2 washers. You have your front washer. Well, there we go. Okay, you got your front washer. See, and there's your button. Boom. And then you have your back washer right here. It's going to go in from the front side. Put your washer on there. Then it has a little nut. And you're going to take a 3/4 inch ratchet. You don't really need the ratchet. You just need the socket. Put your socket on there and just hand tighten it. Shouldn't need to snug it up any more than that. We'll see here. Okay. So, pop our little button in from the front. Put our washer on the back. Grab your nut. back on. Make sure you use a 3/4 inch deep well, because you gotta get up in there around the plug-in part of the switch here. Come on. Okay, I haven't even looked around the front. Let's see what it looks like around the front. It just kind of disappears. That's cool. Let's see. I don't even know if you can see it here. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Enhance. Enhance. Well, the camera kind of goes wonky, but you can see it right there. Okay. There we go. It just blends right in real nice. I like that. Okay. Looks good. Looks really good. Like I said, really high quality finish on it. There's the back of the plug right here. I am going to just look at this again, make sure it's in correctly. Looks like it is. Wow, it looks really good. And take my socket. And just kind of holding the button on the front side so it don't spin on you. I know there's nothing to really hold on to, but that's why I said you ain't got to go super tight. Just snug it up. That way it's on there. And grab my flashlight. That black, it just blends in so much on the other side. My lighting ain't the greatest in here. Oh yeah. That's nice. I tell you what, that is pretty. And it's nice and tight, good to go. Okay. I'm happy with that button. That button is really nice. Now, we'll be unplugging this again to put the speaker thing back on. I'm just wanting to check it out. Here is your factory plug for your 12-volt power. Here's the end for the garage door opener. You can only plug in one way. Make sure it's in all the way. Bam, look at that. That's nice. That's real nice. Okay. Outstanding. Then I think what we're going to do with this, we're going to mount it up top here somewhere once we get the speaker pod and all that back in. Man, that's nice. I like that. Okay. Before we even put all this stuff back together, I'll back you guys out a little bit here. Oh, again, sorry for the sniffling. Live in Michigan, it's cold. It's crappy weather. Makes my nose go crazy. Okay. I am gonna see if we can get this thing to work before I put it all back together. Sound like a plan. In your directions that come with it, it tells you if you got, certain different kinds of garage doors, garage door openers, blah blah blah. Not exactly sure which one mine is, so it might take a minute to try a couple different things. but we are going to try it. Because why not, right? Till it works. Okay. Okay, so directions tell us pop this cover off. Probably gonna have to turn power to the bike. I don't know. Let's try. Yep, gotta have power on the bike. Okay. So, power. I'm gonna turn off these lights there. I don't know, you're getting too much washout. Let me scoot you guys in a little bit so that washout for them turn signals ain't so bad. Okay, you got a little button right in here. See your blue light? It's on. I'm gonna climb up the ladder here. 2 steps, 1 step, whatever I gotta do. Press the learn button on my opener. It's in learn mode. And then you press your button according to your directions, however many times. Mine, I think, is 2. Maybe 3. There it is. I just heard the garage door opener click. So it was 3 times. Then you press your button again, the light goes off. Put your cover on, let's see if the garage door opens. Let's see. Does it? Look at that. Look, so you ain't pulling your leg. Boom, garage door stopped. Garage door down. Dang, that's slick. That is cool. Got a nice blue light. See that blue light? That's your button right there for your garage door. Dang, I'm happy. Awesome job, man. Awesome job. Great product. How can you go wrong with that? I mean, really. I don't know, man. I kind of speechless. I mean, I figured it would work. Why sell a product that don't work, right? I'm just amazed at how good it looks, how easy it was. Now, don't get me wrong, getting the speaker thing off, but like I said, I don't think you have to do that. I'm just an idiot and did it. So, okay, now the joys of putting all this back together. And I'm not going to bore you guys with that, okay? I'm just not going to do it to you. I'm not that mean all the time. But, yeah, that's awesome. I will show you a finished product, though, once it's all back together. Or, excuse me, before I put it back together, I'll show you where I put our opener, where I mounted up inside the fairing here. And then I'll show you the finished product. I am really happy that that works. My garage door openers are, oh man, 15 to 18 years old. And it was simple. Boom, boom, it's done. So if you think you got 2 old garage door openers, I'm telling you, it'll work. I was a little leery because my garage door openers are so old, but man. And you got your little button up underneath there. I don't know if you can see it, but probably not because it's so dark. Yeah, I'm happy with that. All right, guys. This video is going to be way too long already. I know it is, but well, that's what editing's for, right? All right, I'll be back. Alrighty, we're back. Check her out. She's all installed. There's our opener. Got everything zip tied and taken care of. There's your hole. And yes, guys, I am a 100% complete idiot. I believe you can get that out of there without taking off your whole speaker. Haven't checked, made sure everything works. Let's check. I had, gauges unplugged and everything. Volt gauge is working. I know that's one I had unplugged. Everything looks to be working. Got our little blue light for the garage door down there. Let's see if the garage door works. That's the garage door in the background over there. I'm going to push the button. The garage door goes up. Push it again, garage door stops. Push it again, garage door goes down. Awesome, awesome product. Man, that is so cool. Alright, so there you have it. Easy install if you know what you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing, so I made it a hard install. But again, guys, make sure you go check out Rogers Unlimited for, your garage door opener. I will pop back in here and show you once it's all put back together and done and all that good stuff, and that'll be the end of the video. Alright, hold on. Alrighty guys, there we go. All back together. Just like nobody was in there. Again, I ask you to subscribe. If you don't, that's fine. Just please go down in the description and go check out the website, man. Again, it's a veteran-owned business. Really, really cool product. There's your garage door opener. Boom, blue light. Or you can do red or green or white or just whatever color you want. It works great. Very, very happy with the product. Good quality. Now if you get caught in the rain, I'm pulling up the driveway. I ain't got to get off the bike, come in the garage, open the door. I can just hit the button on my way up, drive on in. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the channel. One last time, hit the subscribe button and go to the description and go to that website. You guys have a good one. See ya.